This is the Kinson electric head shaver. Now, I'm not bald, but I know some people that are, which I'll show you what their head looks like. But I just want to show you, if you are bald, you want to shave your head, this is a great way to do that. I mean, you could even shave other things, but you have 7 blades on here. It's magnetic. You can pull it off, clean off the dust. I love that. It just snaps right into place. You have 2 speeds, and it's very quiet. You can hear it with the microphone. Very quiet, and you have a screen here to show your battery status and what speed mode you're on, and you can charge this thing with USB-C, which is great. You don't have to have this thing plugged into the wall. You can do this in the shower, you can do this wherever, and it makes your head shine. It is so smooth. Look at that thing. And yeah, you have a little case for it, so you can travel with it and take it wherever you go. So watch here, let's get these hairs right here on my hand. Check this out. Doesn't even hurt at all. And just, wow. Watch, let's get these head, you can see this right here. Look at that. Perfect contort to your dome, and you're gonna love it. So if you are shaving your head constantly, this is what you want. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.